Welcome back to the Trade with Resolve channel. If you're looking for platform tutorials, learning trading terminology, or even viewing live day trades, then please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm scanning through a few different ticker symbols here to look for a potential setup. We have some bullish momentum here on Apple at the moment. I don't want to chase it here. I could look for a potential retracement opportunity, but it looks like it's going to give us a quick pop to the upside. Okay, and there it goes. So it looks like it's moving up towards 205. This was a good scalp opportunity, but I missed it. So I'm going to wait for another potential setup here. So I'm watching Facebook here for a potential opportunity. It's approaching the low of day. I want to see how it behaves around that 180 area. And it seems to be bouncing off of that zone at the moment. So Facebook isn't quite ready for a trade at the moment. It's not to my liking just yet. And so I'm going to take another look around and see if I can find another potential setup. So I am viewing Apple now. So we ended up hitting a level of resistance, and now we have seen some selling pressure. So at this point, I am liking the price action. It seems to have made up its mind in the direction that it's going to go. I am betting that it's going to continue lower, so I am interested in a short opportunity here for continuation to the downside. So I am now in the trade. I just bought 4 contracts at 67 cents, so not a large position size here. I've only invested $268 into this trade, and we are now getting a new low of day here on Apple. So I'm looking for a quick flush to the downside so that I can scale out of this position. Let's see what happens with the price action here. So I am all out for a $77 profit here. So remember, I only invested $268 into this trade, which equates to a 28% gain in just a few short minutes. And so you were able to kind of see the process that I use on a day-to-day basis. Sometimes your favorite setup isn't going to be presented immediately, We just have to have patience and wait for confirmation before executing a trade, and then just understanding that there are no certainties in the market. Place the trade, follow your plan, and see what happens. So remember, I did buy puts here, put options, expecting the price to continue lower, which it did. And then we ended up seeing a nice push to the downside. We got a new low of day with some continuation further. And so I was able to capture about a $1 move here. So I entered in around 203 and took profits around 202. So that was a $1 move to the downside. So I didn't play it perfectly, but I was able to capture a slice of the pie, and that is the goal, just to capture a piece of the move. I hope you enjoyed this live day trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.